Hey everyone, so today we're gonna do the apartment tour that I've been promising you guys. I know I showed you my bedroom, but I've changed a few things up and I wanted to get some finishing touches before I showed you everything. I'm really happy with how this place turned out, but before I get into it, I want to talk about a brand I've been really obsessed with called Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand and they focus on sustainability. For normal jewelry companies, it takes 20 tons of earth mining to produce one single ring of gold. Ana Luisa focuses on sustainability, so they use 100% recycled gold for all their jewelry. You guys know how picky I am with my rings. Actually, it might not seem like it, but I haven't changed out my rings for over 2 years. And not only did I add 2 new rings from Ana Luisa, but I took an old one off and replaced it with an Ana Luisa ring because I'm so obsessed with these pieces. I also have these 2 earrings that I've been loving. This chain hoop is everything, and then I have this little Libra pendant earring. I know it might look like a lot, but I love layering all these gold pieces. I think Ana Luisa is the perfect jewelry company to start your collection because they're really affordable compared to other luxury brands, and the sustainability is something that I can't pass up on. So I love these pieces so much, I actually got a discount code for you guys. So if you use Laini10 at checkout, you'll get 10% off your entire order. So make sure to check out Ana Luisa Jewelry and you can match. Okay, so right here is the front entryway, and it's not the cutest, but it's pretty practical. So we have our front door, and then the bell Ernie uses to go to the bathroom. He's coming. And right here we have a clothing rack for all of Brandon's hoodies and jackets. Brandon and I do share a bedroom, so we need as much storage as we can get. So right here is really nice to be able to hang up our clothes. And then over here we just have some other miscellaneous things. And then if you come this way, we have Brandon, Sandro, and my bathroom. So it's a bathroom, it's not that cute, but it's actually really big for 3 people sharing it. Over here is the shower, and I wanted to talk to you guys about my shampoo I use. I use the Fanola No Yellow Purple shampoo. And you're supposed to just like push this in and wash it out, but I leave it in for like 15 minutes and it turns my hair purple. And then also I use the Overtone Pastel Purple Daily Conditioner, and I just mix this with my normal conditioner, and then I get the lilac silver color. Okay, out of the stinky poopy bathroom. Okay, so coming down this way is the hallway to all of our rooms. We have me, Brandon, Sandro, Izzy, and Catherine all living in this apartment. I'm just gonna show you my bedroom. So it looks a little different than the first time you guys saw it. I've been adding a lot of stuff because since there's no window, it can feel like a prison in here. So adding a lot of color and different textures is what I've realized to make it feel more homey. So we can start off in my favorite little corner. My dad actually made this clothing rack out of pipe and wood. That was it. He said it was really easy to make, and we just put it on wheels. And when I do outfit videos, I can wheel it out to the living room where I film and then wheel it back in. Then over here, I just thrifted this little, there's a name for it, but it's really cute, and added something to the corner. And then this mirror is what I've been waiting on. My mom found it for 75 bucks at Home Goods, and normally these mirrors are like $200. I had a really dinky one before, but this creates so much space. Then over here, we have this dresser that my grandma actually gave to me, and then my dad got this really interesting mirror piece from Facebook Marketplace. It's his favorite place right now. And then I just have some candles, a Himalayan salt lamp, and some trinkets. Coming over to the little dinky closet, I have all my clothes pushed to the side, and I like how this looks more empty instead of being overwhelmed with all my clothing. Then I have these little buckets or like baskets from Target, and I just put like jeans, pants, socks, underwear, and then like miscellaneous things. And then I have these 2 little fake plants because there are no windows in this bedroom. This one I thrifted, and then this one's just from TJ Maxx. Coming over to my bed, I really struggled with what kind of bedding I wanted to put on it because I've always thought white just looks really clean and crisp, but with a dog, it's impossible to have white bedding and make it look nice. It looked like we were pigs. So I found this kind of like topper almost. It's really thin and it's got these cheetahs on it from Target. It was on clearance for like 25 bucks and I couldn't pass it up. I think it adds so much to the room and I'm so happy I found it and went with this kind of crazy pattern instead of white. White is so basic and everybody has white, and now I just feel like my room looks so much like more hip and 70s and fun. And as you guys know, I have an obsession with putting my bed on pallets now. The first time we put my bed on pallets, we got really lucky and found amazing quality clean pallets to put my bed on. This time we weren't so lucky when we were going garbage picking. So my dad actually made these pallets and he said the whole thing cost around 20 bucks. So it's super inexpensive and looks so bohemian and cute and like, you know what you're doing. Then this little crate is just from IKEA. And then coming up a little bit, these two shelf kind of things, baskets, are from IKEA and they're actually in the kitchen section. They're for utensils. I don't really know how that works, but I saw them and thought it would look so cute with some plants in here. So I have two little fake plants and just some miscellaneous things, and I think this adds something to the wall that's so cute and delicate. Over here we have these two shelving units, and all these hardwares are from IKEA. You can buy them, just the hardwares we found out, and then this wood is just from Home Depot, and you just have to find something that fits in here, and you can make it as long or as short as you want, which I think is really nice and customizable. As for everything up here, I've kind of accumulated it over the years. There's nothing like, these are all garbage picks. My parents got me this. Oh, these are from IKEA. This is thrifted. I think this bag is just, wait. I was just kidding, I thought my camera charger was in there. My dad got this for me. We have some eucalyptus, thrifted, Dunkin', succulents, fun little stuff. And then over here, I just have some lavender that I got from a local store. And then down there, we actually shoved this shelf behind here because it's a really awkward size and area, like your pillows will just fall in. So we put a shelf here and it's really nice to just like throw. I have my iPad, like chapstick, and then I didn't like how empty it looks, so I have this fake plant. Okay, so that's my whole bedroom, and now we're gonna go see the living room. So over here, it is freaking bright because of these windows, but they are everything to me. It completely makes up for the fact that we have no windows in our bedrooms. If you come around this way, okay, so over here we have our little living room area. All this furniture was from Catherine's grandma, and it is so beautiful. Literally, this couch is everything to me. Like the rug is from her place. This is from Amazon. You guys have seen it 100 times. And then this is the newest edition that I wanted to wait for before filming this video. These posters are insane looking. I don't really know any of these bands, I'm a big fan, but I love the look of these and I think it adds so much color to this really neutral room. We have up here this little shelf. This was just popping out naturally in the place, and we just have some of our things lined up. I actually let Brandon put some of his own things there. I'm normally crazy and don't let us decorate, but he has some of his own things in this apartment. As you can tell, the bedroom is very me, so he has this area. We just have another dresser, again, because Brandon and I share a bedroom. We have to kind of put our clothes other places, so Brandon sticks his stuff in here. Brandon went home this weekend, but normally he has his giant like PC set up here, and I don't like how that looks either, so I wanted to film this while he was gone. It still has the desk and the ugly office chair, like this thing, but I have roommates, I have to deal with it. We have this sill area that is so perfect for all these plants, and I love that I'm able to have this and kind of care for these plants. I don't know, it's something fun. And this plant in particular, I don't know the names of all my plants, but I'm sure you guys do in the comments. You always know so much more than me, but this is my pride and joy. It's my baby. I love it so much. Okay, so this area also isn't the cutest, but sometimes you have to have some practical things in your home. Ernie just sits in here and hangs out. We don't put him in the cage when we leave, but he needs to have his own little area, so we leave that open for him. And then over here is the dinky mirror that was in my bedroom. I've donated it to the living room because I'm so gracious. Some more furniture pieces from Catherine's grandma. She had the best taste. And then up here, Ernie, where's this is Ernie's little hangout place. He loves basking in the sun. And when I go to class and come home from the parking lot, I pull in and I can see Ernie sitting here waiting for me. It's so cute. It's the little things that make me happy. Okay, then down here, again, we have 5 people living in this apartment, so we brought a mini fridge. As you guys know, I have to cook Ernie's food and it goes in the fridge, so 5 people and a dog sharing a fridge, you need an extra fridge. And over here, we have this little coffee area. Again, the table's from Catherine's grandma's. And then we have some more plants because I'm obsessed. Then this giant monstrosity is how we store all our food. This kitchen doesn't have a lot of storage, so we have to kind of put it out like this. It's not the prettiest, but 5 people in an apartment, I just don't film right here, but I'll show you. Then over here, again, an ugly microwave and an ugly unit for more food. Apparently we're all very hungry here. We're eating well. Then all this stuff just came with the apartment. I don't really have anything to say about it. It's fine. Then over here, we just have some more storage units kind of things. And then down there is Ernie's area again. So cute. And then I actually wanted to talk about this. We have this giant trash can, and last year, living in an apartment with 5 people, we were taking out the trash like every other day. But now we have this bad boy, and it's like more than a week we can go, but I can't lift the trash. Brandon has to take it out, so thanks, Brandon. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. I'm so happy with how this apartment looks, especially compared to last year's apartment. I don't know if you guys remember it. It was awful. Thank you again for all the love and support on this channel. Next video, I'll have another giveaway. The giveaway prize still hasn't come in yet, so I don't want to give it away until I get it. I love you all so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.